Hi, and welcome to blindsdirect.co.za. Today we're going to illustrate how to either replace or change the side of your controller, of your roller blind. First you need to ensure that your roller fabric is rolled up to the utmost position. Very simply, hold the blind, pull, your roller mechanism will be removed. Note that on your roller mechanism there is different fins at different widths, and also looking at the tube, you'll notice that there's a different type of crown design. So you need to ensure that the correct fins are applied in that tube. So for illustration purposes, we've removed the side. You can now put that aside, go to the alternate side where you have the pin. Apply some pressure and remove. Notice again, there is a specific crown, specific fin size. So what we do now is we go and apply back on the alternate side, push it in, make sure it's nice and snug, no movement. Now we take the controller. One thing to note, as the controller has now changed on the opposite side, you want to make sure that you pull your mechanism to the utmost position where your linkage is in place. So for example, okay, we're now in the most upright position. We now take the tube, again making sure you have your different fin positions and applying the fins in the correct area. You will notice there is some play, but as you can see here, it's not on the mechanism inside, it's only on the external mechanism. This is perfectly normal. There you go, it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching our video from blindsdirect.co.za.